Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? Hope fine. My dear students, today we are going to study chapter 5 of grammar models. We have already studied in our previous classes, but we are going to get more knowledge from models. So, my dear students, modal verbs behave very differently from normal verbs. Here are some important differences. What is special about them? How? Modal verbs are always followed by a verb in its base form. For examples, here you can see, my dear students, he can speak Chinese. So can, you can see, okay. So compare it. I speak Chinese, he speaks Chinese. So he can speak Chinese. So modal verb is can. You may take the book to school. She may take the book to school. So here you take the books to school, she takes the books to school. So here may is modal verbs. Now modal verbs behave very differently from normal verbs. Here are some important differences, and we have studied what is special about them. So my dear students, now how they are special. Now here you can see it, the explanation. Modal verbs do not take s in the third person in the present simple. For examples, he speaks Chinese. So here he can speak Chinese, or he cannot. Not is negative sentence. I have already explained you from the textbook in our meet. She eats a sandwich at 9:30. She may eat a sandwich at 9:30. Next one, you use not to make modal verbs negative, even in simple present and simple past. We don't use the helping verb do. We should not be late. They might not come to the party. So, in compare, I don't like to be late. So, now, I cannot eat any more cakes. So, here, I don't eat carrot cakes. Now, next one, many modal verbs cannot be used in the past tenses or the future tenses. For examples, he can go with us. That is wrong, because you can see here, he will go with us, he can go with us. So here he can go with us is wrong. She must study it very hard. That is also wrong. Modal verbs and their substitutes. Many modal verbs cannot be used in all of the English tenses. That's why we need to know their meaning and the substitute of these modal verbs. We use this model to speak about future actions that we are sure, convinced about. That is will not, won't. Today is Tuesday, tomorrow will be Wednesday. Here, I know it because this is a known fact. We will not be in the office tomorrow. I know it because he is going on vacation. Here you can use will not. Short form of will not will be won't. We use these models to express general ability or disability, possibility or impossibility, opportunity, permission, request, can, could, be able to. I can walk. I have the general ability to do the action of walking. Okay, you are having the ability to walk, so I can walk. I can't hear you. It is too noisy. I don't have the ability to hear what you are saying because of the noise. I have some free time. I can help her now. I have the opportunity to help her. Means I can help her. Your opportunity. So I can help her now because I don't have any time. Sorry, I can't help her now. Okay, because I don't have any time. So here I don't have the opportunity to help her. So in the past can changes to could, that we have already understood in our previous class. He could speak only Hebrew when he was a kid. He couldn't speak to his neighbor who speaks only English. Here, general ability. Okay. Future possibility or get permission. You know, we use there may for permission and ability, right? So, I may choose to wear the red dress to the party. I have two dresses. There is a chance that I will choose to wear the red dress and not the blue one. Today, he may come on time. So, although usually he comes late. Okay. So, although usually he comes late, there is a possibility that today he will come on time. May. Now, may I come to visit you at 5 o'clock? I want to come to you, but I am not sure that you want me to come. Okay, that you will, or that you will be at home, or that you will let me enter. You may take only one candy. Although there are more candies, I permit you to take only one of them. Understood, no children? Possibility. Here might. So, we may come on time, but if you miss the bus, we might be late. I plan to come on time, and this is why I want to catch the 7:15 bus. If I catch the 7:30 bus, I can come on time or not. I am not sure. If you advertise on the internet, you might get a lot of spam to your email box. Although you don't want to get spam, that's a risk that you will get it. Advice or a strong suggestion, that is should. If you want to be a champion, you should practice every day. You don't have to practice, but then you will not get better. When you make a cheesecake, you should first check that you have cheese, or else it will not be a cheesecake. Must and mustn't. Must, very strong advice or obligation. Mustn't, things you are not allowed to do. She is sick. She has high fever. She must take a pill. Very strong advice or obligation. You mustn't ride your bike without a helmet. You are not allowed to do. It is necessary, shows obligation and giving advice. Have to or has to. In the present or near future. Had to in the past. Will have to in the future. Have to, has to, had to, will have to. I have to clean my room. My mother forces me to do it. She has to finish the test before the bell rings. So here, after the bell rings, you can't go on answering the questions. Gail Devers had to take radiation therapy for her disease to get well. At the end of the 8th grade, we will have to leave our school and go to high school. Don't have to, doesn't have to. So don't have to or doesn't have to, it isn't necessary. Ought to, be supposed to, be allowed to, ought to, be supposed to, we expect him or her to, be allowed to, permission, someone will let or permit him do it. That's a great movie. You ought to see it or you must see it. The teacher is supposed to base the grades on the test and assignments. On Friday, the students in our school don't have to wear the school uniform. They are allowed to wear any color they want. They are permitted to, or they can even wear a pink shirt with yellow strips. Be able to. Show an ability. I don't know when I will be ready. I will be able to give you an answer later. Is he able to do it? Yes, he knows how to do it and has time to do it. Can he do it? Negative contractions, short form. Many modal verbs cannot be used in all of the English tenses. That's why we need to know their meaning and substitute for these modals. So my dear students, thank you and have a nice day for watching the video. Bye bye. See you.